8 in the morning. I've already eaten my entire packed lunch for the day, except the apple, which I'm not going to eat anyway. Look at that. What the fuck happened there? I'm at McDonald's because apparently almost falling asleep at 8 o'clock this morning isn't tiring enough, so I'm going to eat food that makes you tired. Why am I here? Can I get a wrap of the day? One double cheeseburger.
Yeah.
And a Whisper McFlurry.
Gold or chocolate?
Gold, please.
Yeah.
That's everything?
Please.
Yep, thank you.
Yeah, actually, thank you.
Okay, love you. I've been waiting here like 4 minutes. I'm lucky I wasn't in gear because I started to fall asleep and I like jolted my foot forward. It was a close call. I don't know why I got this. I hate frozen chocolate. Chocolate's supposed to be melt in your mouth, not cold. 3:20, just taking a quick stroll to Screwfix. Hopefully they got bathroom paint. It'll save me driving to B&Q. I bet the answer is no, and if they do have, they don't have the colour that I want. Bollocks. The answer is yes, they do have bathroom paint, but they sell it in 2.5 litres, so even if they did have the colour I want, which they don't, wouldn't be buying it there anyway. It's 5:10, on my way to B&Q. They better have black bathroom paint, and if they don't, they better be able to mix it for me. So they got tons of bathroom paint, but no black. They could probably mix me some, but there was a queue there. I'm gonna try Sturmats and then screw it. I'll just go with white. I am positive they close at 5:30. Is there anybody there? Oh, fucking hell. Yep, it's closed. Well, white it is then. Right, I got 2 packages. One should be the replacement battery pack, and I'm so tired I can't even remember what the other one is. The radiator valves for the towel rack. I thought these were coming on Friday. Well, there we go. That's that. They can go over there. A is it 20,000? I think it's a 28,000 mAh, whatever mAh means. Drum roll though, does this have any charge in it? Yay! It's a healthy one! Right, let's not fuck around. I want this done yesterday, so let's fucking go. Right, so I've done this wall. I've done all the fixtures, all the way around the toilet, the sink, the shower, done the shower part of the ceiling, I've done all here. But I have grossly underestimated how much paint I need. I've gone through that entire tub. And I've gone through that entire tub and all I've got done is one wall and gone around all the fixtures and done the shower part of the ceiling and this part of the ceiling. That's it. And there needs 2 coats. Look. There needs another coat. And if that wasn't bad enough, now I've got an entire vlog to edit. Right, that's that done, and in record time too. Partly because I'm missing footage. Yes, Past Ben, you are missing footage. Actually, you're missing footage for this vlog. Almost an entire day, which is why I've skipped ahead a day. Because the day before, I ordered paint on Amazon, which is here. See that? 250 millilitres. I could have sworn I ordered a 500 milliliter, but no I didn't. 13 quid that cost. That's barely gonna cover the window. Anyway, that's enough of me moaning. Back to the vlog. So annoying. I need a new camera. This camera is knackered. I'm gonna have to go to my mum's and have a shower. I can definitely tell which. Actually, That's not too bad, is it? I thought I might need another coat here, but turns out that looks alright. I'm fine with that. I'm not even gonna bother putting the projector on. I'm so tired. Night night, driver.